What's up everybody, it's Dave, and so today we are going to install the cabling for my Garmin 45 that will be in the mail here shortly. This is the parking mode cable that we're going to install today, and we're installing it in my 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. So I'm a huge Garmin fan. My 35 broke and they are replacing it with the 45, so that means I need to install a cable. Now I could just use the cigarette lighter adapter and go that route, but I don't like it. So I'll just show you here real quick how easy it is to run the wires, and it took me all of maybe like 15 minutes. I still gotta fix it up and make it look good, but here it goes. Alright, so first things first, we just got our kit that it comes with, and then we just pulled out these two torque bolts and removed this cover from here, and then that opened it up for us. So that basically all I did is I started from this end where I'll end up hooking you know, to the battery and such, but I just got the wire coming underneath here, fitting through this right here, sorry, bad camera angle, and then just coming down up underneath here, and then coming in through here. Now this is the only part that I don't really like. I don't like having even just this much cable exposed, but I had to get it out there somehow, and I didn't want to go through there. So anyways, the wire will run up along the pillar here, and then just goes up in behind here all the way over to where I will have my dash cam mounted somewhere in the vicinity of this. So right now I've just got the cable just hanging here for now, but we'll make it look good. So seriously, that is as easy as it is, and it did help by taking off the Freedom panels. That way I could actually get in there and get it set up. Now I do have the auxiliary buttons 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm actually going to wire this dash cam mount, not the wiring harness, sorry, into probably auxiliary 1, but we'll see. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I talked about hooking these up to the auxiliary switches. If you look underneath your hood, passenger side, right near the battery, tucked down in here, is where those 4 wires are going to be for your 4 different switches. First look at them is two of them are definitely a smaller gauge wire than the other 2, so I just gotta look into the manual real fast and make sure that I hook up to the right one. And they're also not numbered, so they're just color coded. So I'll look and see which is which. Stand by. Hey, what's up everybody, it's Dave and we're back. And so I just wanted to give you a quick update. It took a little while, but I did get the replacement Garmin 45 in the mail for my old 35 that had kind of just stopped working. So it was doing that reboot, and like I said, Garmin sent me a new one. So here is the new Garmin Dashcam 45. It's a lot smaller. It's got the 4 buttons on the side like the other one does, but a little bit different. More outset instead of inset. The charger is also a different style charger. It's the micro USB instead of mini USB like the Dashcam 35, and then it's just got the slot there on the bottom for your SD card. It came with a 16 gig, but I put my 64 gig in there. So anyways, we're gonna go out to the Jeep and finish getting this installed. So hang tight. Alright, so I know that I said I was going to hook it up to an accessory switch in the Jeep. That kind of defeats the purpose of me getting this parking cable, so because I want it on all the time. Because this dash cam has the motion detection to where if motion is detected while in parking mode, it actually will start recording. So all I've done is just hooked it to the ground wire here on this nice place that they give us to attach multiple grounds if you need to. Man, I need to work on my camera angles. I'm sorry, guys. And then I just took the battery cable and hooked it to the positive side of the battery. And then we'll just cover it up and go inside and hook it up. Okay, so we're here inside my 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL, and if you remember just a few seconds ago, I said that I wasn't going to hook it up to an auxiliary switch because I wanted the parking mode cable to work, which was the sole purpose of having it. Well, there was a third wire on the parking mode cable labeled accessory, but there were zero instructions in the box on how to hook it up. So I came inside, hooked it up without that accessory wire, like I said I was going to, came inside, and then the dash cam just went straight to parking mode and would not go into just normal dash cam mode. So that got me thinking that maybe that accessory wire it had to be hooked up. So went back out up underneath the hood, hooked it to the orange wire, which is the auxiliary 3 switch, and then purple is the auxiliary 4 switch. So by doing that, so there is auxiliary 3, it is lit up. And there is the dash cam in my dirty garage. Working perfectly. So, pretty happy. Actually get to use the auxiliary switch so that it's, doing something for once. But all in all, so far, very happy with the way the setup went. And here again, this is not a professional video, so if you're expecting that, you might just want to scroll on down a little bit. This is just me, a guy who owns a Jeep, who is not the most mechanically inclined and definitely not electrically inclined individual who just enjoys working on his Jeep and enjoys having it. So if you like it, man, give me a thumbs up. If you hate it, I guess go ahead and give me a thumbs down, but give me some comments. Let me know why you hate it. Don't just give me a thumbs down, all right? Hey, as always, thanks so much for watching, you guys. God bless. Have a great day.